Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to crochet a granny square shawl. You can find a written instruction on wilma.com. I will put a link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this shawl I've used Lion Brand Color Theory and hook size 6mm. First you will need to make 36 tulip squares and 9 triangles until round 4. I've made a separate video tutorial for the squares and triangles. I will add the link in the description below. So go ahead and I will see you when you're done. So once you have all the squares and triangles, put them in this position with the good sides facing upwards. I will now show you how to slip stitch everything together. So make a slip knot and put the squares on top of each other with the good sides facing out. Make sure that the stitches align and work a slip stitch through both loops in one of the chains in the corner. Then work a slip stitch in the double crochet. And as you can see, I insert my hook in the front loop facing you and the back loop, which is the loop furthest away. So basically that's all you do. So you make a slip stitch in each stitch in the front loop and the back loop. And it doesn't matter which stitch it is, whether it's a double crochet or a chain, you always work in the front and the back loop until the end. Make sure to use a loose tension because you don't want this too tight. And then the last chain in the corner, and this is what it will look like. And then you continue working on the next square. So I just finished joining the last square and I will now work a round of slip stitches around the shawl for a neat finishing touch. And I will just simply work a slip stitch in each stitch and make sure to have a very loose tension. So just go ahead and work in every double crochet, every chain. And the only difficult part here is that when you reach the top of the shawl, you won't have stitches to work in. So this is the top of the shawl. So I will just insert my hook wherever I can and work 2 slip stitches in each gap or hole that I can find, and try to keep the distance between the gaps where you insert your hook. Try to keep them as small as possible. It's better to have a little bit more stitches than not enough stitches. And you will notice that the second slip stitch in the same stitch, it will be quite difficult to make, so I will show you a trick. You just turn your hook and finish it like that. So go ahead and work all around the shawl and I will see you at the end. Optionally, you can add some tassels, and I will quickly show you how to make them. You can either use a phone or a tassel maker, so go ahead and wrap the yarn around about 30 times. So this is how I add my tassels to the shawl. All I have to do now is block my shawl. Simply said, blocking means I pin the shawl in the right position and spray it wet with water. Then I let it dry and it will stay in this beautiful shape. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!